Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, and in this video we will be discussing last minute tips and strategies for your success in the IELTS exam. So the first one on our list is to arrive early. The importance of arriving early cannot be overstated. Arriving early not only avoids the stress of running late, but also prepares you mentally for the task ahead. Arriving early significantly contributes to a positive start. You definitely need to allocate extra time for circumstances such as traffic or public transportation delays. This simple ritual can set a positive tone for the entire testing experience. Moving on to the next tip, sleeping and eating well. Sleep and nutrition are so important. This can help your brain to consolidate information and enhance your memory. It can also recharge your brain for the task ahead. Next up, we have comfortable clothing. It is so crucial to wear something that can help you to focus entirely on the exam day. Remember that your goal is to create an environment where your attention has to be solely on the exam content, not on physical distractions. Definitely wear something that makes you confident and composed. Confidence can contribute to the positive mindset, and this positive mindset is needed for success in the IELTS exam. Next up, we have ID proof. It is so crucial for you to carry your ID proof because you will not be able to enter to the test without your ID. So definitely make sure that you bring your ID proof for the IELTS exam day. And the next tip that I've got is to not to carry mobile phones. Test center rules prohibit the presence of mobile phones, and carrying a mobile phone can lead to some severe circumstances. What I suggest you to do is to leave your mobile phone at home or in a designated outside area outside the testing room. The next tip that I've got is to stay calm. As the clock ticks down in the exam, it is natural for nerves to set in. Feeling nervous is entirely normal. It means that you really care about your performance, and that's a positive trait. Another valuable tool in your calmness is to have self-talk. Incorporate deep breathing exercises before your IELTS exam. Best of luck on your IELTS journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, and comment below. According to YouTube analytics, 90.2% of you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, so I highly recommend you to do. If you want to know how you can easily improve your listening score, you can check out this video where I explain it in detail how you can easily get Band 9 in the IELTS listening exam.